when I realized what I had done. I had torn my world apart. My baby's been gone for weeks. I'm the reason why she left. Fellas, I wrote this song for you. Maybe it could be of some help. I don't care how good she looks, things ain't always what they seem to be. Take a good look at what's at home and value what you have. Take it from me. Whatever you do, don't do what I did. I already lost my woman and I'm bound to lose my kids. Cause I couldn't tell the real from the fake. Now that it's getting brown, I realize I made a big mistake. Yeah. Grass turns brown in the winter time. So don't be fooled by what you see on the other side. The greenish turns brown in the winter. Don't turn brown, it must be artificial. I don't want your sympathy. Said it's all my fault. I brought this all on me, baby. I didn't have a reason. I'm being honest, that's the truth. It was just a dog in me that I turned loose. Oh yeah. What I did was done. Really didn't make no sense. Now I wish I had stayed on my side of the fence. All of my lessons have been learned, but all my bridges have been burned. It's too late, I can't go back. I wish I had stayed where I was at.